Big welding jobs require portable power. The Kemppi Master M 323 takes on challenging tasks with 320 amps of portable MIG-MAG welding power. Completes big projects anywhere on site with a compact, high-power welding machine. Improves safety with self-charging LED lights that work with or without mains power. The Master M 323's time-saving features make setup quick. Weld Assist makes finding parameters easy. Just select material thickness, joint type and position, and you're ready to weld. Deliver high-quality industrial welds and handle a wide range of materials with confidence. The Kemppi Master M 323 gives you more power with less weight and total control.